All right, guys, on this particular video I want to show you how you can transfer your funds from your Infinox wallet, that is your trading wallet, to your MT4 account. So let's go right in. So you go to your, where is my browser? All right, so you go to you log into your Infinox account. That is myinfinox.com. This is that the web address? No, that is not the complete web address, but you should know what I'm talking about, like your client portal, like where you registered your account. That is where you log in. That link, you can use that link to log in. And you log in your account, you put your email and your password, and it will bring you up to this page. Now if you want to know your MT4 number, just tap the menu button. This is the menu button here, this one here, where you have this 3/ there. So I'm going to tap on it so you see how it looks like. So I tap on it, then it shows your MT4 account. I have like, is it 3 for MT4 here? So but for your own case, it's going to show maybe just one. So that is it. So that is my MT4 number there. So just tap on the menu button, then you see your MT4 number come out there. So in case you want to check your MT4 number, you just tap on the menu button, then your MT4 number will come out. So on this video I want to transfer money from my wallet, trading wallet, to my MT4. So you can see here my MT4 has just 50 cents inside. There's just 50 cents inside. In fact, let's just go to the MT4 and see, because we just, on the previous video you saw me log into the MT4. Now this is the MT4 account there. We have just 50 cents inside. This is it, this particular account. We have only 50 cents inside there. So I'm going to transfer money from my trading wallet to my MT4. So you can see the account, I have money in my trading wallet already, $193. So if you fund your trading account, this is where the money will show. It will show you on your wallet. So you move it from here, your wallet, to your MT4. So what you need to do next is click on this transfer. So I'm going to tap on transfer right now. Click on transfer. It's going to load. Alright, so now you see this transfer funds from. So you do transfer funds from, you select, make sure you are choosing your wallet. See, I'm going to choose my wallet. The first box should be your wallet. The W plenty numbers, then wallet, that is your wallet. So I'm going to choose wallet. You transfer from wallet to MT4. So I'm going to choose that MT4 account with 50 cents, and it is this first one here, 466 at the end. So I'm going to choose that one. All right, then there's a small box you tick. You tick this small box here. Make sure you tick that small box. Then here you put the amount, then you click transfer fund. So I'm going to do just that. I'll tick the box, then input the amount I want to transfer to my MT4, which is, let's say I want to transfer $50. Yes, $50. Then I will click on transfer funds. So it's rotating. When this comes up, just say okay, just tap on okay. So it's loading. It's loading. Let's wait for it. Sometimes it may, depending on your internet service or your data, it may take a bit, some minutes. We just have to wait for it. Let it finish loading. Yeah, now it's showing success. You successfully submitted a request to transfer funds This will be processed shortly. Then when this pop up, just click back to my account. So I'm going to click back to my account right now. So back to my account, you see, you notice my money have reduced from $193 to $143. Then I'm going to tap on this menu button again to see that MT4. if it has been funded. Boom, you see this is the MT4 account. It was 50 cents, now it's $50.50. Now I'm going to go back to my MT4 for you to also see that it has reflected there. So let's log in. Yeah, it has reflected now. So you see it's now $50.50. so that is how you transfer funds from your trading wallet to your MT4 accounts. All right, so that is that for this particular video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.